A ride in the 2019 Land Rover New Discovery Sport. With Land Rover at its heart, the new Discovery Sport is adept in challenging conditions. On pavement, gravel, sand, or snow, terrain response makes sure your drive is responsive, steady, and controlled. A host of stability systems enhance your traction, reducing engine torque by optimizing throttle and braking, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, speed control, rain sensing wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.